Why do you sneeze when you look at bright light? Let's uncover the science behind this surprising reflex. Have you ever stepped outside into bright sunlight and suddenly felt the urge to sneeze? This is called the photic sneeze reflex, and it affects about 1 in 4 people. But why does it happen? When bright light hits your eyes, your brain sends signals to your pupils to shrink. For some people, this signal crosses wires with the nerves that control sneezing. It's like your brain accidentally presses the sneeze button when it's just trying to protect your eyes. Scientists think this reflex might have a genetic link. So if you sneeze at sunlight, chances are someone in your family does too. Now you know why sneezing isn't just about dust, it can also be triggered by light. Want to learn more fun facts about your body? Hit follow and keep exploring.